Entire life rooted to the same spot in the forest. She's truly a country girl on the adventure of her lifetime. As a woman in my 50s, I know that looking fabulous at our age takes time and effort. We ladies of a certain vintage can be a little bit touchy about comments on our appearance. Knowing that some of her predecessors have attracted a little bit of criticism, you can imagine how nervous she is now that the lights will soon be lit. But I can assure you, she's all spruced up and ready to shine for the people of London! Oslo's annual Christmas tree gift is an old tradition dating back to the 1947. It's a token of gratitude for the help and support we received from the people of Britain during the Second World War. This year, to share with you one of our most treasured Christmas traditions, we have invited a boys' choir to join us. The Norwegian Broadcasting Boys' Choir, Sølvguttene, the Silver Boys in English, are under patronage of the Queen of Norway. To many Norwegians, Christmas begins with the choir's annual televised concert on Christmas Eve. As we look forward to their performance, let's remember that Christmas is more than anything a holiday that belongs to the children. It's heartbreaking to think about the ongoing wars in Ukraine and in the Middle East, where innocent children will not be able to experience the peaceful joy of Christmas as we do. I hope that the tree can remind us what friendship and support mean. I hope the tree, with its lights, can offer comfort to those who are struggling. The tree stands as a symbol of love and peace. It's the proof of our two countries' strong ties. In the coming weeks, this Christmas tree will spread its light to the people of London and everyone passing by. On behalf of the people of Oslo, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope each of you will have some peaceful Christmas days where you can be together and care for one another. God jul fra Oslo, alle sammen. Now, let's make the Christmas tree shine. So, I would like to invite Lord Mayor Robert Rigby to join me in switching on the Christmas tree lights. So, let's all count down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!